welcome to my YouTube channel. So onto this video, we are going to do baking. So Christmas is coming, it's on the way, so it's time for us to bake some cookies. So here in the US, one of the tradition is to make cookies, different kind of cookies. But the popular one is the sugar cookies. Family get together or bonding because the kids can enjoy decorating the sugar cookies to decorate the way they like. So different kind of colors, different kind of toppings, so the kids will enjoy. So sugar cookies is the popular one, but also people make different flavor of cookies. So onto this video, I'm going to share with you guys our peanut butter chocolate chips cookies. So no further ado, I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we need. We need light brown sugar, white sugar, butter, peanut butter, extra chunky, egg, baking soda, salt, vanilla, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then we have all-purpose flour. So I have here a glass bowl, or you can use different kind of bowl, whatever is available on your house. So when I arrived here in the US, that's one of the tradition to make cookies. In the Philippines, like our family, we never experienced to bake cookies because oven is not available. But here in the US, I can bake some cookies. So anyhow, but we have in the Philippines we have tradition. We cook some food and then we stay awake until midnight. So first we are going to melt this butter. So I'm gonna let it melt right there. Okay, so now we're gonna put the egg. Ayan. Put our sugar right here. Okay guys, so I put 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and then I put the egg, 1 egg, and then I'm gonna put the melted butter. There you go. And I go get some. So the butter, we put 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick of butter, 8 tablespoons. So we just keep, mixing it until it's fully combined. And then we are going to put our peanut butter. And then the peanut butter is 1/2 cup. And then we're going to put our baking soda and then the salt. We will put our vanilla. So now we're gonna mix it together. Now it's fully mixed. We are going to add our flour. So we already add our vanilla. It's 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then the salt. And I put the 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. So now we are going to mix it all together. Okay, it's all combined. We're going to put our 5 ounce of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So we're gonna put that here. We're going to mix it. Okay guys, so our cookie dough is done. We're going to cover it with sealing wrap. Cover it with sealing wrap, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Yan. While it's in the fridge, we are going to prepare our baking tray. And then we are going to put parchment paper. There you go. Now this is ready. 30 minutes later. Okay guys, so 30 minutes later, our cookie dough is ready. And then I'm going to put it here in our baking tray. Using the 2 tablespoon ice cream scooper. So we're going to use this. And then we are going to scoop our cookie. So you scoop your cookie, guys, here. And then just like that. Okay guys, I have here 1 dozen of cookie. So I already preheated the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And I'm going to bake this for 10 to 11 minutes. Okay guys, after 11 minutes, this is our cookies. Our peanut butter chocolate chips cookies. Ooh, I'm gonna let it sit here, let it cool, and we'll try it later. Okay guys, so this is our peanut butter chocolate chips cookies. So I bake it between 10 to 12 minutes into preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit. So this is what it looks like. So let's have a taste test. Okay guys, here's our peanut butter chocolate chips cookies. So we're gonna test this. If it's perfectly lightly brown. There's a few that it's kind of a little bit darker. Mm. You can taste the peanut butter, but it's not overpowering. You can chew the peanuts that's with the came with the peanut butter because we used the chunky one. And then of course the chocolate chips. This is a good peanut butter chocolate chips cookies. So anyhow, guys, that's our video for today. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next one. Bye!